atwaso sansam trofo ne menka ho by the grace of God sika bosome so a kwasi twuma daroma wode ma me eso enti sami gina hana me ye adwuma mi so esa so bibia no hono betimi a kire se si de be hia me ha ena mama ni sika enti story no ensa wa ye document no an nsa ka no ensa se wo boso mi so akukudura ewo mi mu a me de ye adwuma no efiri soro Ghana haniema bebre akoso na ya me besase ya me quote Ghana's constitution article 1 that the sovereignty of this nation resides in we Ghanaians. Ghana for many womienu ena tumia ekura ekata o man nyina so no ye ne kura yen. Bara ya na areho se nipakuo kakra bi wo mo yafuru nti krono ana wo mo bo. Oba na yede abaya dwuma hye wonsa se hweso gina ya ye madachi bi ya maudimpa se papa we yede sa company hye nsa ena sachira ye bai of course meti agina hanama bobon panifo bi a won beso aban dwuma mu a excellently won mo execute yi ebi so de krono nensa ye ne pepe and the why am so one fa now oji atwam na ye psycho hu adwuma psycho poso na me free wukwada no last week Wednesday am here the last Fabɛwɔso attacks abam so no calls amenya messages amenya ane misre edwa ne nyanyansa ase kura fe na yeko enti wo mu aye wo mu se wo betimi ehunu na samtrofo bi te se me ama ofra nyagopon de afra me yes samtrojuma na ye frɛ it's a calling yan frɛ wa wodo ya phone na ebedi animu bedi sika na fi adane animu guase but obien no amount of intimidation, no amount of threats. And a bit me ama mejaya adwuma ye me yi. Anapay em komo ho. Document kwami sami. Every Bureau of National Investigations BNI. Na sikadi akoso etimakoma. Nenti woni pa wo man yi mu a wonni tema sabi abadaye wonni wo man ho adwene pa na in the coming days hu bedwiriw ya beto ya bu ase na sa document yi yakone nkakra when you report of fraud, organized crime and money laundering against Ali Almes, Managing Director of Proteus Limited and officials of State Housing Company Limited. State Housing Company Limited. Aban biaba what is ani so misisi adan na yatete so magana fo wama omuni baabi da sabe kakra bi akura wo no obetimi anya baabi chamber hall bi 2 bedrooms bi 3 bedrooms bi ne boda fam yakan affordable houses bebre akan wuram badan ya say yebebo sika say de kwakoye project na sika no eba kodi nipa mienu miensa pensem na obeto asum Manesase, God help me. The Bureau conducted an investigation following a petition from the State Housing Company Limited, copy attached, alleging that Dr. Mark Ankra, its former managing director, MD, without the approval of the board in 2013 and 2014, issued 2 corporate guarantees to Proteus Company Limited, a construction firm, to secure a loan of $1 million and $1,600,000 from Allium Consulting FTZ, a firm purportedly based in Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates. The loan was for the development of residential apartments at Adenta Dry Pond area, Accra, under the project termed Little London. My member the production team abaso. Baby, you will sana sa document we yansaka. Because of the confidentiality. Yeah? Niema e was a document team. Me producers one mo say me kai. Weekend yada ho sa weekend yada sa document ho Adom 106.3. Between 2013 and 2014, Managing Director, State Housing Company, Dr. Mark Ankra, Yapao MD, when the board na ye adwuma, answer na be take decision biano, you need to consult your board. Me empower me Managing Director that. But the little I know, and it's an answer na Managing Director, ubetua na mo bia, ube take decision biano. There has to be consultation. But in this case, Dr. Mark Ankra issued 2 corporate guarantees. 2 corporate guarantees. Mamin Chirem, sir, State Housing Company ni pesika. Wabasa ya project bi. Okay. Now project no ya the contract no ama Proteus Company ni din no. Mechirem yakwa ya ni mechirem. Proteus who kofa sika bra. Na menso so me wan sase. Yamfa NCC adan. Na me the contract ne ma no. Me am say me issue guarantee. Na the kojiska. What the kojiska? I me madjuma say me issue guarantee the amount. But this is what happened. Managing Director no ankasa share no ho without approval from the board. What to board na chini baby kra. Eno no akode kwana ho. We issue 2 corporate guarantees and them approach us. Omaya etimu no. Yeah. Say we are Managing Director bi na wutie me. Na what adwene mu po. Say abaya o woswe. Wonso to na mo bia e de ka bebre. Wei eye krono clear. That's what you say wonso to na mo bi sa. Dwene hu biom. Dwene hu biom. Ye besisi adan adenta. Ye say frɛ baby small London. Na ye boaboa ye ho. We will visit the site. And then you don't go site ho. 2 corporate guarantees. 1 for $1 million. $1 million. Abusia. Bakono no. The second guarantee was for $1.6 million. Yadi besisi adan. Yadi besisi adan. The petition also asserted that the $1.6 million component of the loan, though disbursed, was not used for its agreed purpose, and that Dr. Ankra had claimed that the money was used for a sister project when he appeared before the State Housing Company Internal Investigative Committee probing the issue. Can you imagine? Can you believe this? Sikanwa okwaje so ade ba besisi adan no. Just and yantimi fancy dino. You the quiet project for Frobi. You the quiet project for Frobi. $2.6 million. Dr. Mark Ankra, former managing director of State Housing Company. And I pay me chiao. Na say what you say? Utimi didi na wonom eda wo bra utibua embu for kitikiti kura homba mwa. You know, I don't do personal attacks, but in such cases, you know, when a reporter is implicated, reporter bold in pain. I don't do personal attacks. But wait here. Dr. Makankra. What about mine chrono? What about mine chrono? Biamantia sending Yamai, Yankoyanim Kakra. Yankoyanim. The investigation team visited the project site at Adenta, and several persons, including the current management, former managing directors, past board members of State Housing Company, as well as management of Proteus Limited, were interviewed and interrogated over their involvement and knowledge of the subject matter. The team also perused various documents in relation to the contract. Now, summary of findings. Yabekoho. Sika $1 million and $1.6 million. Yadi besi siadan and ka $1 million ni yadi besi 28 unit housing. 28 units. 1.6 and so 32 units housing units. And then kedi ba besi. Sika no mane afa kwanta efa he. Kwa be na sika no fa so bai. Why account to me na sika ne da? Who are the signatories to the account? Who are the signatories to the account? Account names near Dania. Why? Is it in the State Housing Company's account or individual account? We are yet to find out. Investigations confirm that Proteus Company Limited is duly registered under the Companies Act 1963, Act 179, and was incorporated in 13 June 2014. Prior to the incorporation, it operated as a sole proprietorship known as Proteus Enterprise. The principal activity of the company is building construction and civil engineering, and its address, Babia Proteus Company Limited, Yawo, house number 11, Benzine Street, East Legon, Accra. Honor office in East Legon, here. Honor Proteus, no, the office war. Investigations also revealed that Dr. Ankra unilaterally and without the approval of the board of State Housing Company on 25th September 2013 and 5th March 2014 issued 2 corporate guarantees on behalf of the State Housing Company for Proteus to raise loans of $1 million and $1.6 million respectively from Ilium. However, State Housing Company board minutes from 2012 to 2014 made no mention of approval for the issuance of the guarantees. In Shemuna Nama Mutwada Di Yayan Shamuano, not to say, under normal circumstance. Yaya board meeting, company secretary, I'll take it down minutes. If indeed, sa corporate guarantees, say if a bond no enim, one must share meeting, and I want to take it down, and noting in their minutes, and can be show. And can so board meeting, and I do two. Sir, ye issue 2 corporate guarantees, and from Proteus. Of Uncle Pebisi and Pamra, you find your project, no. But if you say, between 2013 and 2014, from 2012 to 2014, rather, 2012 to 2014. Minute baako kura ni hɔ a capture I say, oh, at this meeting, no, they agree say you go pay corporate guarantors. Yeah, for my project, housing project. And if I hear Juma sa, so managing director be shano no assign corporate guarantor was sign krata e dey manipa wa ko say je fa ko pa besia na mfa mba ya aban Juma say ya mpara say adwemponi bi anta ya kira say adwemponi bi anta ya kira sika 2.6 million Ghana cedis. 2.6 million Ghana cedis. Say, you require a sister project. You require a sister project. Wamanya yetimu no. Where anyama yourself. I don't do irrelevant politics. Anyama yourself. And I am not targeting any political party. This is Ghana. Wait, a Ghana for sika. Me no taxpayers' money. A Ghana for sika. $2.6 million. And you see this, Wabusia. And you see this. And you see this. Ayira. Because Ghana had here, oh, me with this kakra will be anti me your way. Any at home. Any at home. Now, explosive revelations are. I want a document. We muno. Just say, I am yam crash shime. I am yam as shime. It was finally established that State Housing Company and Proteus signed 2 corporate guarantee agreements. Before the corporate guarantees were issued, it was agreed that 1 million will be used for the development of 28 housing units, whilst the 1.6 million caters for 32 units. At the Adenta, Little London, the corporate guarantee agreement also stipulated that the total loan sum of $2,600,000 was to be launched into a special mandate account with Dr. Ankra and Ali Omes as the signatories. Sika 2.6 million, no? Sanka ne papa mu a enka State Housing Company account and I can decide sika ne to meboa enso ye bi account foforo baby obi anim ho hwe and Dr. Ankrai one Ali Umes Proteus managing director one me anu pa no me signatories to that account wrade Ghana mo me yafuo yafu Bien to be free in Chrome. No, about a job obenya Ghana ni bia sabi not dream more Harry. Ghana ni bia sabi ne yafunu no denam. Onen wa kabom. Na ye via o man no. E via o man ni sika. Ya fa ho adi. Ya nka hwe nchiro bia. Awre ho. Bra ni pa bra wo mo sori ahamache. Kwatena dwom. Todia jiji passing get a cabuano. Now be I and the fruit brim. Via mine sika. All in the name of Mabina Waso. So Mabina Waswa. Shawanamon 2 year. Because Mabina one transfer that. What free so? What free so some of these things will come out. Some of these things will come out. Sika 2.6 million. Ebaya, private account. Special mandate account. I don't know what that English means. Special mandate account. Nipa mienu no omo signatories to the account. 2.6 million. ena beto mu tam sika no aba. It was again established that State Housing Company contracted Proteus in March 2013 to construct 40-unit apartment at the same location. 2.6 ne ba ye ne yemfanya hwe. Ye 2013, yasansuma the same company, Proteus Kronwa. 2.6 million wa ba akoto special mandate account mu no. Company Kronwa yasama no contract. So Jim FM. Ha! Ye brego. Enu ti na ngopon de sa adwuma ya hye yensa. Enu ti na ngopon de adwuma we ya hye yensa. And we pray for grace. March 2013. It was again established that State Housing Company contracted Proteus in March 2013 to construct 40-unit apartments at the same location, Little London. This was separated from the loan-funded project cited above. There's a way a different contract. Under this construction agreement, State Housing Company financed the project and hired Proteus as the contractor. Dynamics no see first one no Proteus na so finance no corporate agreement guarantee corporate guarantee so fan ko pesika but 40 units in there State Housing one no say o finance name Proteus one away contractor no sika no ho enti one aba besisi adan no. Get the difference. Nanka emu akwa didie no. Wamo maya. Yeka fufrogum. Kwale fajo. Emu amu kwa didie no so wamo maya. Yeka fufrogum. 2.6 million no eba ye no. Eno ye nhunu ho hwe. Ye say dey acquire sister project. 28 housing units. Ama 32 housing units. And also ye hu hwe. Na sa ama 40 housing units contract. Documents available at State Housing Company confirmed that the project was fully paid for. Hence, Ankra's claim that the 1.6 million was used for a sister project is not supported by facts available. Huh? Investigations established that State Housing Company and Proteus signed 3 development agreements dated 11 February 2013, 10th April 2013, and 6 June 2013. The agreement stated that State Housing Company shall provide land situated at the Dry Pond area at Adenta Estate, Accra, for the construction of residential dwellings as its equity per market value of the land, whilst Proteus, the developer, will raise finance, develop, and sell the units to execute the works on behalf of the State Housing Company. Enti, me masase, also ko pesika bra ne fancy. Na fei ye wia over a period of 60 years. After 60 years, no, na fei ye release the State Housing Company. Sana nhyehyɛ no netie. Sana nhyehyɛ no netie. The project was to be jointly managed for profit over a 60-year lease period. Investigations revealed that the said land at Adenta was not valued to merit the terms of the engagement. Contrary to the agreement, it came to light that Proteus could not raise the fund and thus relied on State Housing Company to guarantee loans for it before it could execute the project. Proteus no man yesika. It na say ho akonya say State Housing Company for no guarantee loan. No me de ko pesika. E de be ye adwuma no. Eh? Dachi nchirima. Dachi nchirima. Se ahwe ni ya mbebo ya sobo. Mbebo ya sobo. Yadi abadwuma sha wonsa. Yan kasa fa wonsa no na nyina didi. Yan kasa fa wonsa no na nyina didi. It was established that Dr. Ankra, without approval from the board of State Housing Company on 27th September 2013 and 25th March 2014, issued 2 corporate guarantees in favor of Oleum for Proteus to raise $1 million and $1.6 million, respectively. The lender, Oleum Consulting FTZ, is a Romanian company based in Dubai. State Housing Company board minutes records from 2012 to 2014, however, did not capture any of the board's deliberations and approval of Dr. Ankra's decision to sign a corporate guarantee agreement with Proteus and the issuance of CG to Oleum to cover the debt of Proteus. No consultation. Ono a managing director to ono ade ne pe and or sign a corporate guarantee agreement. Banko pay sika numra. Oba ye de be two corporate separate mandate account, 2 signatories. Ono MD ne ka ho, Ali Omez nso so ka ho. Nipa mienu pe ene om sign signatories to that account. Now, set fiati Kwajo Owusu Ajiman and Mary Pomery, all former board members of the State Housing Company, stated that the matter was not tabled for the board's discussion. Hence, no approval was given. These are board members. Yanima Brekra, corporate agreement here sign. Because at our board meetings, Bibia send Honmo Betoja. So how come? Managing director. Nami hu ye mobo. Baby asasika no obi ase ahwehwe. $2.6 million. Enye sika ketwa. Ene ho akiri yen. Covid ya bebom, me twa hu ba bi entwa. Na nipa mienu pe Atimi ahinham $2.6 million so. Na memo details. Banks ahodo, dollar account, euro account, bank needing, account number, account name. Withdrawals awomo ye, deposit awomo ye, ni nyina me de be ma wo. Ukwada. Me de be ma wo. I mean, can be Ghana's Constitution Article 1 said the sovereignty of our nation Ghana resides in we, the Ghanaians. And I believe that it's about time. I say sorry. Now in Sambi say, Chrono Sambi say, Chrono say. You can't want him. Believe the Chief Jerry Forson. Mame Fasida Emma DBS roofing sheets. Franco Trading Enterprise. Omada Roma. And I'm so much near the Fabɛwɔso. Ya de bebro. Nyami aduma ukwada. Join me. Na yendo esuko. Tie me ma me na me ba. Yemfa mpense mu no. Yemfa mrew.
Everyone no pano do die. Na Ghana for be 5 million na ate what to say. Be embrenu. What trotro mo. Hajia watch line mo.
Have you heard? Say anopa course ye free. Wo Airtel Tigo so if you anopa nonum kosi nondu sa busumi nsia.
Busumi nsia.
Say what Airtel Tigo sim. Now the